Hi everyone, this is our 6G cybersecurity resilience series. This is our episode 2, part 2, and we are going to talk about the cybersecurity technology for privacy in 6G networks. I hope you enjoy this session. First of all, we are going to talk about the title and motivation. Let us now move to chapter 2 titled Cybersecurity Technology for Privacy in 6G Networks. Uh, in chapter 1, we focused on architectural security challenges. This chapter is narrowed to focus into privacy, which is one of the most critical trust factors in future 6G systems. As a network becomes more intelligent and human-centric, protecting user privacy is no longer optional. This is very necessary to think about the privacy. This is a fundamental requirement for adoption and social acceptance. Why privacy is critical in 6G? 6G network will enable ultra-dense connectivity, autonomous decision-making through the AI, and deeply human-centric applications such as the immersive reality, smarter scale, and intelligent transportation. To support this capability, massive amount of the personal, behavioral, location, and biometrical data will be collected and processed. This creates serious privacy risk. A single privacy breach can result not only in loss of the user trust, but also in regulatory penalties and the national level security concerns. Therefore, privacy protection must be treated as a first class design object in 6G. Privacy-based security is one of the challenging topics, the conceptual distinction. It is important to correctly distinguish between security and privacy, as the chapter emphasized that about the privacy, as you know. Security focus on protecting system and data from unauthorized access, confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Privacy, on the other hand, focus on protecting user identify, personal information, and data usage right. In 6G, a network can be technically secure but still violate privacy through the excessive data collection and inference. Therefore, security alone is not enough. Privacy must be explicitly designed and enforced. A secure network can still violate privacy. It's one of the things we should care about it. Privacy threat landscape in 6G. The privacy threat landscape in 6G is a far more advanced than in previous generations because we have an array of technologies in these threat include the AI-based inference attack, continuous location tracking, traffic analysis, and cross-layer correlation of data. Attacker may not need to break encryption. Instead, they can infer sensitive information from the pattern and behavior. Because 6G networks are always connected and increasingly autonomous, many privacy threats become invisible to users, making them harder to detect and more dangerous. Privacy threats in 6G are intelligent and invisible. Uh, we mentioned it before because an array of technology we use and the trend is growing very faster. AI and privacy challenges. artificial intelligence play a central role in 6G, but it also introduces serious privacy challenges. AI models are used for network optimization, predictive analysis, and user profiling. However, these models can leak sensitive information through the training data, modern inversion attacks, or uh, biased decision making. The chapter highlighted the need for privacy-aware AI where data exposure is controlled, learning to minimize to what is necessary, and privacy risks are assessed through the AI life cycle. Privacy preserving cybersecurity technology. To address these challenges, the chapter discussed a range of privacy preserving cybersecurity technology. These include advanced encryption technology, anonymization as pseudonymization method, and secure authentication mechanism. The goal is protect the data not only during the transmission but also with it with its stores and proceed. Importantly, this solution must be lightweighted and scalable because 6G networks demand extremely high performance and low latency. Identify authentication and privacy. Identity management become one of the most sensitive privacy challenges in 6G with billions of devices and increasing human machine interaction. Traditionally, identity mechanism exposes user to tracking and profiling risk. Persistent identifiers can easily leak personal information. Uh, Privacy privacy authentication method that enable user and devices to verify legitimacy legitimacy without disclosing unnecessary identity information. In 6G, identity protection becomes the front line of a privacy defense. So, in regulatory and ethical consideration, privacy in 6G is not only a technical issue, this is also a legal and technical one. Data will frequently cross national borders, making compliance with the diverse privacy regulation extremely challenging. Ethical concern arises around the surveillance, consent, and data ownership. The uh, stress the importance of a privacy by design and privacy by policy, ensuring that technical solutions align with the legal framework and societal expectation from the every beginning. Integration Wi-Fi 6G architecture. A key message of this part is the privacy mechanism must be integrated directly into the 6G architecture. Privacy should be embedded across the network's layer. AI decision engineer and service orchestration framework add-on or patch-based privacy solution are insufficient for such as the complex ecosystem. This approach is directly complement the security by design principle discussed in chapter 1, and you can see our chapter 1 video. It is available in our YouTube channel. Reinforcing privacy as an architectural property, not an afterthought. So at the end, it takeaway and transition to summarize this unit for introducing on personal privacy challenges driven by AI, massive data collection, and continuous connectivity. Cybersecurity technologies must evolve to protect not only system but also identity, behavior, and personal information. Trust in a 6G depends on a strong privacy guarantees. Uh, It sets the foundation for more advanced privacy enhancing and AI driven security techniques, which we'll explore further in the upcoming chapter of what we are trying to create. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope we can continue our sessions. Uh, it would be my pleasure if you leave a comments for us, like and share our video with others. I hope you enjoy our videos. Thank you so much for your watching.